You talked about possibly getting into something that your sons could help you with.
So I'm gonna get it started for him or with him, and then get things going to where, it's good enough where I can kind of stand back and watch. But it's gonna be for him basically. So.
Clark, this is like the American dream. Do you have that set in for you? Because I talk to so many people who are wanting to do exactly what you've done, like thinking about not only for themselves, but how can I build something for my family, my children, and things like that. And you've done it.
I watched my dad, struggle. And so I was able to kind of learn from that, his mistakes, and put myself in a position where I can do this. So now feels good. It really does.
Yeah. I cannot tell you how excited I am for you and your family. Living life on your own terms is a motto that our company kind of stands by. And it has been an absolute pleasure to just kind of watch you go through this entire process. And now stepping out into business ownership, I know that you are going to do absolutely amazing with it. So I'm super excited and happy for you.
Well, thank you. I appreciate all your help through the process also.